In order to install Composer on Windows 11 operating system, you need to have PHP in your system. Search Composer on your browser and on the first result, click the download link and here click the composer-setup.exe. I have already downloaded it. Before installing the program, let us check if we have already the program installed or not. For that, open command prompt, type Composer, click enter. You see Composer is not installed. Now, here is the downloaded setup.exe file. Double click install for all users, user account control, click yes. I will not use developer mode, so click next. Now you have to mention here your php.exe location. In my case, it is inside the XAMPP folder. Click browse and then inside the XAMPP, here is the PHP folder and here is the php.exe. Then click this option, add this PHP to your path, click next. I will not use proxy server, so click next. And then before clicking install, I need to mention one more thing. If you have Xdebug installed, there may be some problem. I faced the problem. In that case, in the php.ini, you must comment these Xdebug settings. But if you do not have Xdebug installed with PHP, you will not face that problem. So for most users, you just click next and then click next here and then click install. Installation is complete. Click next, click finish. Now open your command prompt. We opened it already. Here type Composer again to check if it is installed this time. Composer is not recognized, but please do not worry, you have to open new terminal. So close it and again start command prompt. Now type Composer, click enter. It is good that I had that error so that I could show you. Here Composer is installed. Thank you.